Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Section 03, Core Services. 1. IAM, Identity and Access Management. IAM allows you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. You can create and manage users, assign permissions using policies, and enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, for added security. 2. S3, Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is a scalable object storage service that allows you to store and retrieve data from anywhere on the web. It is highly durable, secure, and offers high availability. 3. EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, and EBS, Elastic Block Store. EC2 provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud, allowing you to quickly scale up or down based on demand. EBS provides persistent block storage volumes for use with EC2 instances. 4. ELB, Elastic Load Balancing, and Auto-Scaling. ELB automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple EC2 instances to ensure they are balanced. Auto-scaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances in response to changing demand. 5. VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. VPC allows you to create a private, isolated section of the AWS Cloud where you can launch AWS resources. You have complete control over your virtual networking environment, including IP address range, subnets, and route tables. 6. Databases. AWS offers various database services, including RDS, for relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, and DynamoDB for NoSQL databases. These services are fully managed, scalable, and highly available. 7. Route 53. Route 53 is a scalable DNS, domain name system, web service designed to route end users to internet applications by translating human-readable names into IP addresses. It also provides health checks to monitor the health of your application.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.